Hello, we're back. I haven't made a video in a minute or like a couple days, but I want to give a quick little rundown of what's going on with my portfolio. I've added a good amount since last time. I think I've added over 1900 now, maybe. Up like from the time I have added. I mean, I think I could, no, I don't know. I think there's a way you can see how much you've invested, but I'm up 96 bucks. Still haven't. Um. Oh wait, I'm even. No, I'm not. I'm down 0.38%. So in the next video I'm making, or next video I'll make, which is probably gonna be on Friday or Thursday, since I have a lot of exams going on right now, and I'm kind of just studying all day. So when I do have the time, I do check the stock market, see what's going on. Today I've actually invested into Verizon. I seen it dip pretty low. I bought it at 425 or 42.50. Wow, that might actually be the lowest time. There's no 50, I don't think. So yeah, I bought it when it was like go on its way down. I bought at the slope, basically. So pretty good buy actually. Sniped it. I need to start doing it with uh trade options because I could be making a whole lot more money, but I'm not. This is what my mindset is currently thinking. I'm trying to build just a portfolio, something for a longevity that would maybe last me like 10, 20 plus years. Obviously, the stocks that I've invested, I'm not trying to keep for 10, 20 years, besides like VU and QQU potentially. UPS, I'm probably gonna end up keeping for a minute. I had a couple thoughts about like either like selling and investing in more into QQQ or like more of the slower growing stocks, but like trustworthy. But I think I'm gonna keep UPS for like a long time actually. I'm gonna continue to invest. Their dividend pays amazing. I like it. They're very trustworthy. Obviously, UPS has been around forever, over a decade. So, or over a century, I meant. But yeah, UPS pays a dollar 64 per share quarterly, and that's around like $6 almost every year just from one stock. Just if you bought 10, you're making $60 a year just of just plain stocks. So, I mean, if I just invest like 50, let's say 60 times 50 by 300, I don't need that. No, wait, I don't think that's right. No, that is right. Times 4, times 50. Yeah, and then each stock is around 90. Well, I'm gonna try to buy it below 100. Otherwise, it's gonna cost me over like 5,000. Even though if I'm, let's say if I buy it at 95, I think I'm saving that much. Yeah, I'm saving 250, which is not that crazy. But if I can just get a passive income of just like, I mean, how much would that be quarterly? I think it was like 350 or something. No, it wasn't 350. It was like 322, let's say. I don't remember. Divided by four. That's if I have 50 stocks. I'll be getting $80. I'll be basically buying a new stock every 3 months, which in like a short term and like a year sounds like ridiculous. You're not gonna be like it's not gonna be really making you any money. But I mean, if I buy like just 10 of these and just have the dividend reinvestment happening over like 5 years, I'll bump it up to like 15 maybe. But that's just passive, not me like adding money. So I don't know. I think honestly, I don't think I did the calculations right. That seemed wrong. I don't know. 164 times 4 for a year times 50 per stock. I mean, it's only 5K. I mean, not only 5K, but I mean, people be investing a whole lot more than 5K, but I'm a broke college student, so I do not have 5K lying around. But that's the plan with the dividend pay. I have recently stumbled across a pretty good stock, in my opinion, that I I'm actually planning on maybe investing tomorrow and just selling my Verizon. This was just kind of like make some money, don't leave it in the buying power, I guess, kind of option. Also just want to buy something. I'm trying to, not too sure I put this. Meta has been doing great. I looked at it the other day and I saw it was, I wish I just bought like a share of, or like a fractional share of Meta, to be honest, instead of Verizon. That's the thing. I need to start taking advantage of this. I'm looking more at the numbers. The only time it really matters when you buy like a whole share is when it comes to dividend pay, I think. Because I'm pretty sure you don't get dividend pay if you don't have a full share of a stock, unless it just goes based off dividend yield and just how much that so you basically do like let's say you have 0.38 of a stock, you just do divided by the number, and I'm guessing then you just take the yield from that number. I don't know if that's a thing even, but if it is, then that's kind of cool. But UPS is probably the best, in my opinion, I think is the best dividend paying, trustworthy stock to buy and invest into. Because there's a lot, I mean, there's stocks that pay you like $5 every month, but those stocks tank usually. They're like tankers, or I don't know the word for it, but there's like a specific word for it. So I don't know. I think you make your money back, but it's just like the same as if you were like investing, I guess. But you would make that money now. So I guess in that case, it's better. So I don't know. I want to play around with it right now. I'm just on the edge. I don't really like see what's the point of investing to dividend stocks that just go down, unless like I would have to see it in person to see if I'm actually getting my money back. I think it's my watch list. Okay, my watch list is broken. I had two things on my watch list. Um, okay, I guess I don't have a watch list. I don't remember. I think it's called Misty. I think it was this one. Yeah, I think it was this one. It's a U.S. Treasury actively manages fund used by standardized exchange traded flex options. I think this was the one. Thing I think it's just an EFT that just holds a lot of dividend paying companies that I'm very curious to see what, because I just saw it. I didn't really do much research. Now I have time, so we're just figuring out on what's going on. Honestly, I might just chat because I don't really feel like look, yeah, I'm not doing all that. I just Can I just up history maybe? I just want to see what they're paying. Mm. Yeah, it's that's the thing. I think it is a dividend stock, but it's also been performing incredibly. Like it's new. Wow, it's been made not even a year ago, I don't think. So, or maybe just a little, I don't know my months. Anyway, not um I didn't realize that it was just made not long ago. How many I don't know, does this mean volume? Oh no. Oh yeah, a lot of people buy it. I mean, anyway. I'm trying to see what the hell the pay is. Is this it? With a payment of 2.37 per share paid May 9th, Missy's annual dividend is 128.57%. Here's a breakdown. That doesn't make sense. That does that does make sense, I think. What I'm gonna do is just copy and paste the dividend income. I'm gonna see if it says the similar thing. It's gonna search the web and then kind of give me out what it found. Basically summarize it. It's like good because $30 per share. The most recently is, I mean, Does it pay every month or every 3 months? Interesting. Okay, I might have found a better stock than UPS actually. For now, I'll invest into it. It's a very new company, so it's just like I don't really know what that means. I just don't think they're credible enough because they just haven't been open for long. But it's an EFT of just banks, I think. So I mean, they have other countries' trust, I think. I don't know how EFTs work, but so wait, it's 38 times 1.28 equal. I mean, yeah, I think that does equal $30 around per year. Yeah, I'm assuming it's paying quarterly, but there's ways where you can set it up. Oh, hold up. Monthly? Okay. Okay. I'll definitely make a video on June 6th, Friday, because I am curious to see if this is actually just. I'm so confused. What's like, it's just like I'm so confused. This is like an insanely good stock, I feel like. If it's 30, is it $30 per stock? I feel like I'm reading something wrong. How much dividend pay would I get if I invested? Okay, the stock is 23.8. Let's remember that. So if I wanted to buy like 20, how much would that run me? About 500, which I don't have it. I don't have 500 to spend on, but I can sell. I don't want to sell UPS. I'm gonna keep UPS just in case this thing doesn't work out. I'm dead ass just gonna test this. This is gonna be like a test. I'm gonna sell Verizon. I'll get like 96 plus change back. Yeah. And I'll have around 100. And then I'll probably just take 100 out of my account. And then I can get $99 from donating plasma, which I have done actually. I forgot to tell you guys. I don't know if the camera catches that, but there's a little mark right there where I've donated. And the thing about it, they gave us this card. I can't show you the card, but they gave us a card, and on it, it gives you $100 every time you donate, or for at least the first. Oh, it's only for the first two times, so I'm not even gonna make $100 next time, or the next time. Not the point though. I'll make $99. I'll be around, I'd say, close to 300. So I'll say I'll invest around 300. I wonder what annual income that would be. I invested $300. Where's the dollar sign for in Misty? I'm so curious. How much would I make? I feel like I'd make my money back. If I only invested 300, I mean, it's been doing pretty good. Okay, wait, what's this other one? MicroStrategy. Okay, this is just too much. Can't be spending $400. In the past week, down, up, down, down, up. And it seems to kind of be creating a similar pattern here. I mean, if it goes up to 37 bucks or like 30 bucks from 23 bucks, that's not half bad, I don't think. I kind of want to, I don't want to, I'm gonna, whoa, Roger, shut up. I'm gonna set that up tomorrow. I'm gonna buy that tomorrow because I don't want to queue it right now if it's gonna go skyrocket, but I don't think it will. Hopefully it sticks around the 20, the price range that is at right now. Let me just put it to my list. Not not that. I'm gonna set an indicator just in case. I don't think it's gonna go down, but if it does, I'll just put like this just in case. Goes below. And then I'm gonna just put one that if it goes like 25. Oh, that's the wrong one. It was above 25. Because if it moves like 25 is not that bad, but if it moves like past somehow 30, which I don't think yeah, it's not gonna reach 30. It's probably gonna reach like 24 tomorrow, 24.2 maybe. So I'll probably be selling my VU. I don't know. I can sell fractions of my share too. So I might just sell 0.18 of UPS, 0.28 of Apple, and then just donate 100 out of my own. I should be getting like another 125. I low-key might just invest a lot. This is I don't know. I don't want to, I just kind of, okay, I'm gonna invest around 200 of Verizon. I don't think I'm gonna take out any stocks. I'm just putting like another like 100 out of my own. I barely have any cash, but I'm really curious to see like what, like if this actually works. Because I'll make my money back guaranteed. Plus I'll be getting it every like um month. There's also other stocks. There's also like other individual EFTs. It's like a chain apparently. If you buy, there's four different like categories for EFTs or dividend EFTs or something, or just stocks that are dividends. I think they're like mining stocks, maybe, or some bank stocks that have uh this like formula or something. If you buy or if you buy one stock from each of the four categories, it'll change your what's the word I'm looking for? It'll change your time from quarterly to monthly. But this one automatically I think is monthly. So what are MicroStrategies? How long is the video so far? I don't want to make it too long. Um, 20 minutes. I mean, I'll cut out. There's a bunch of things I need to cut out. MicroStrategy. Okay, it's a company. I mean, I don't think they're going out of business anytime soon. I don't know if that's a lot of money for a business that just started. I think it is. especially if they just started. They're bringing in 28 billion. Yeah, I think that's a good amount of money. I mean, if it all goes down to shit, I'm gonna lose like 200 bucks. It's not that bad, I don't think. Okay. I don't know what else I want to talk about. Main thing I kind of want to just say now is, oh, wrong button. Main thing I kind of want to just say now is that I think I'm just gonna invest into a bunch of Misty. I'll do a little bit more research before I actually do, but I mean, what I've seen so far, what I've learned just from looking up pretty obvious things, it's pretty good. I don't know what happened here. Mm, Tanked, but okay, yeah, I think that's it. I don't really have anything else to show besides um hmm. One more thing I kind of want to just talk about is I don't know if it's like I know it's safer to go with EFTs, but I don't know if it's like better to go with like just single stocks like Google. I always thought just going with like Apple or Google is like single stocks will produce a lot more in annually like annual interest or like percent whatever. Yeah, like in like oh every 5 years. So annually like I would want at least like 20%. Right now, Google is not doing great. I want to keep it until it goes up to like 180, 190, and then just sell it because I it's not a stock that I don't think I'm gonna keep for a while. And EFTs have been like, or what I've seen is like, somebody has said that like they just are not good because they don't grow as quick. But I feel like that's just this kind of just fully disproves that because I've only have like $400, I think. Oh no, 500 bucks into QQQ, and it's up 5.7%, and I'm 30 bucks. And this one I have like almost a K, I think. Yeah, about a K. And I'm up 4%, or yeah, 4%. I'm only up 36 bucks. If I have invested all of that money just into QQQ, it'd be nice. So I think next time I see QQQ kind of drop in like the 400 range, 490 maybe. Because if I bought right now, I'd be just tanking this. But I don't want to sell Google right now. I feel like in like I feel like it'll reach its all-time high maybe in the summer of this year with all the AI and everything. But I don't know how long that takes to like power and actually run. So maybe not. But I'll try to hold it as long as possible or until I see like a good time to take it out. Because right now it's only up 4%. I'm looking around maybe I don't know if it's possible, but maybe like 8, 10%. Hopefully 10. I'm really looking for 10. I don't think I'm gonna make crazy money if I make 10. I make around 100, like 100 bucks probably, yeah, like around 100 bucks. So maybe under 100 bucks actually. But that's the thing, like I don't really like I prefer EFTs. I'll like in the future I'm probably just gonna have like two EFTs, maybe one. Even having two is kind of silly. So just investing into one EFT and then just like I guess risky stocks in a way that kind of just do good. I kind of want to try that out because I'm trying to speed up this process. Because if I just stick with this, it is gonna take me like 10 years to build any kind of financial wealth. And I mean, I'm not saying I'm impatient, but I'm definitely not gonna wait 10 years for me to make any kind of money. So I kind of want to, that's why I kind of want to start investing to EF or dividends right now and just investing into low risk but high or like medium reward stocks, which are like EFTs. And what's good with Robinhood, you can buy fractional, so or fraction shares. So as a Robinhood user, I should probably start taking advantage of that a lot more. Because honestly, with that rule, it fully just like eliminates like prices of stocks. Like Netflix, it's up like it's out, Netflix is worth like 1,000. but that like doesn't matter. Okay, did I spell Netflix wrong? Yeah, what is it at? Yeah, 1,000. So if I just invested like 200 bucks, it goes up 2%. That's a lot of money for me. 20 bucks right there. No, that's not right. That's $4. But my Mac, oh no, my Mac is bad day. Anyway, okay, I'm dragging it on. Anyway, last touch or summary is I think the plan now is after I've kind of reached I want to say a big milestone. This has only been like I don't know. I'm kind of it's been since April 14th. So, oh my God, did I break it? No, I thought you had, so close. But anyway, the plan, this is kind of like the plan now until I make another video, which probably will be Friday. So a lot of my stocks will be changed by then. But just like a heads up, I think I'll be selling, well, obviously I may be selling Verizon. This was just like an investment, just not to keep my money, like I said. Putting into Misty, and then I might be selling Apple, but I like Apple. I don't know why I like kind of like it. So I'm probably gonna keep Apple maybe, and then see how Misty's doing. If like if the stock keeps rising, keeps going up in the next like week, I'll probably like actually sell like Apple, maybe a couple shares of or like fraction shares of EPS like 0.18 just to make it a clean number. And then I should be getting a bunch more money from some things. So I'll probably be investing like another 300. So I'll probably be sitting around 600 if it's only gonna do good. And yeah, I think that's about it. That's all I really wanted to talk about. Just show off my portfolio. Any tips, any better dividend stocks would be preferred. I think dividend stocks obviously are good in the long term for like people that just want passive income, just retire or whatever, and still have it'll be more of an old thing. But if I can build up a good dividend long term portfolio right now where I can just generate money from literally just sitting, like I can lose my house, and then that just creates a really really big net for me in life. I feel like if anything ever does go wrong, I can just be getting monthly dividend pays. But if all this kind of sounds really easy on paper, I don't know how it's gonna work. And I feel like this is like a experiment project, test project that this is like a new thing. And I'm gonna update it when I see like big changes, and like I'll try to update it every pay date, so like every month if I'm still like sticking with it. But yeah, that's about it. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a good rest of your day.